How to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. So in the video today, I'll show you how you can actually fix CapCut template not showing. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So usually if you head over onto TikTok and usually load it up, usually you would get a template. Now let me go ahead and look for a video here really quick showing us a template. Now right here, it should say CapCut, try this template. If you don't have that, I'll show you how to fix it. So you're gonna wanna head over to your app store and make sure that you go ahead and click the app store here. So once you're in here, search up TikTok. Now, it's very important that you search it up and go ahead and click on it and then head over to the application. Now, here you can actually check if the app is updated. Now, in my case right here is actually already updated, but if you don't have it updated, it should just say update right here where the open button is at. Now, you can also check the version history to see if you are on the recent version. And basically you can go ahead and check that out. But once you've actually went ahead and updated the entire app, just go ahead and head back onto TikTok and you'll actually be able to see the actual watermark here that says CapCut, try this template. And just go ahead and click on it and then click use template in CapCut and it'll go ahead and open CapCut for you, and basically it'll go ahead and do the template for you to actually use. So that's essentially how you go ahead and fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok as of 2023. So this video will work for every single problem you have. But with that being said, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel and have a fantastic day. I'll see you until next time.